Good morning from us. Chicken and tuna. My coffee. I just stepped out to throw the rubbish. I got to put her down. I'm so scared she will fall. Wait, huh? Okay. Table is too high for her. And I won't be able to talk to you in peace. Now she's okay. What's the time? 9:27. Today I've got Louis 5 to 6:30. Judy now I'm not so sure already. Sometimes it's Friday night, sometimes it's Saturday night. Wait and see. Yesterday I marinated the chicken. I just put it out after it's can fry. Nah, started. Enough. You see lah. Hey, hello. My friend, it's food, not poop. Hey. You see lah. You see how she shakes her little paw. That's what gets to me. Okay, why? What's the complaint this time? Wow. Okay, I gotta stop. You finish it. I'm gonna have my coffee. I'm gonna totally ignore what just happened. I like how she starts from there and then makes her way. My coffee's getting cold. Excuse me.